Welcome back, everybody. It's Memorial Day weekend and a lot of people are be traveling this summer, so I wanted to go over my favorite travel camera. Now this is travel for fun, not travel for work, so there's a difference. What camera would I take to travel for fun? And that's what I want to go over in this video, so let's get started. All right, now one of the cameras I carry a lot is my Canon 6D. Full frame, great camera, kind of heavy. Let's see, with no lens and the battery grip, it weighs just under 40 ounces for body and battery grip only. Now the camera I like to carry for fun, because it does a fine job on everything, is the Lumix G9. It weighs 23 ounces, so that is 16 ounces less than the body only, and you can see the size difference in these two. So the Lumix G9 does a great job on 99% of everything you need to shoot. If you're shooting low light, if you're just doing it for fun, you'll be fine. If I'm doing it for work, low light, I am going to have a full frame camera with me. But like I said, vacations, the Lumix G9 is fun. Now don't stop there. Now let's compare the 24-70 for my Canon. It's the lens, 24-70. It weighs 35.3 ounces. This is the 24-70 for the Micro Four Thirds. It weighs 11.2 ounces. They both go to 2.8. So this lens weighs 3 times what this lens does. So you see where I'm going with the weight. The camera body weighs a lot more. The lens weighs 3 times as much. And then let's check the 85 millimeter. This is my Canon 85. Now it's not the high dollar Canon, but it is a 1.8 Canon. It weighs 15 ounces. This is my 85 millimeter for the G9. It weighs 5.3 ounces. So that is, what was that one? 15 to 5. So it also weighs 3 times as much. So when you talk about carrying something around on vacation, you can see the weight differences are just astounding. And I have the 50 millimeter here for the Micro Four Thirds. It weighs 5.29 ounces. So a little bitty. I mean, it weighs nothing. So as far as actually carrying the camera around, you can see the difference is about, this camera weighs about a third as much with everything. With the lens, everything, it's going to be about a third as much. You're not going to notice that you've got it around your neck. You'll be able to carry it around all day, wherever you're at, Disney World, beach, wherever you're at. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. You will definitely notice if you got this hanging around your neck with the 24-70 together, they weigh over 75 ounces. So that's a few pounds. So that will get your attention in a hurry. And this Lumix G9, it does a fantastic job. I do most of my videos with it. I'm videoing with my R6 so that I could show you, because usually I'm videoing with the Lumix G9, but I'm videoing with my Canon R6 today, just so I could show you the comparison of the size difference in the cameras. Now, you know, there's nothing that this camera can't really do that this camera will do. Now, like I said, you can go to a higher ISO on here, where here you'll get a lot of grain. But again, if you're on vacation, you're probably not going to need that. And if you do, you're fine with a little grain because you're not selling it anyway. You're just having it for fun. So I just wanted to go over that quick video to show you how much easier it is to carry. Now, something else I've got that I really like, I've got some videos coming out on it soon. I haven't tested every aspect of it yet, and I'm not quite ready to make a video on it, but it may even replace this as my travel camera. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That little camera just blows me away with what it does. It's fantastic. So I'll be playing with it more. We'll have a video coming out on it soon. And we're doing just a reminder, we're doing the camera giveaway of the $28 camera that does video and photography. It's a whole $28. We haven't tested it yet, but we are going to test it. We'll be giving it away on June 3rd. So if you're interested in this fantastic, super high-end $28 camera with 64 megapixels, that's like what, 3 megapixels per dollar? That's pretty good. I don't even know the name brand on it, but that's it. And it's got the digital screen on the back. I was saying that would be good if you got kids that like to play with cameras and you don't really want to mess them with your new mirrorless camera. This $28 camera that'll do videos, it says, I haven't actually seen a video from it, but it says it'll do videos and it'll take pictures, will be great for them to play with. If they break it, you're out nothing because I sent it to you for free and I only spent $28 on it. But if you want this camera, just over in the comments, put I want this camera, and you'll be entered into the draw, and we're going to do the drawing on June 3rd and give away the lucky winner for the $28 camera. I wouldn't expect a lot for it for $28, but hey, if it works, it works. So, and it'll be fun for the kids to play, I think. So anyway, if we helped you guys out with some information on the travel, and try to travel light, it's much easier. It gets old when you're carrying around heavy equipment. I know you want to get the good pictures of the family and stuff and the scenery, but this Lumix G9 will get everything just absolutely perfect. And if you don't want to spend the money on the Lumix G9, they make a G85 that does a fantastic job too, and it's lightweight, and it will do a good job for you too. So anyway, if we're helping you guys out and you're interested, you know, in the light camera to travel, or if you're interested in this free $28 camera, let us know on the side. And if we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up, and y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all be careful traveling this Memorial Day weekend. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.